In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious salmon Philly cucumber rolls. They're super easy to make. Any of you can make them. You can make them. Let's go. Okay, let's start. Baking paper, cucumber, and then slice. You want to make thin slices and overlap them by about 50% each time, just like this. And you want to keep making them until you have enough to cover a whole roll. Now you take some tissue paper, absorb some of the extra moisture so that the Philadelphia cream cheese can adhere. And with a spoon, we're going to gently spread some Philadelphia cream cheese across it until we have a nice even coverage, as thin as possible. Now we're going to take some chives, chop them, sprinkle around. We're going to take a little bit of smoked salmon, layer it on like this. If you want, you can add a little squirt of lemon juice around this point. And then we're going to take an avocado and just slice it into thin slices like this with a knife and fan it out. Then with the same knife, you pick it up and slide it onto your smoked salmon. Beautiful. Now for the most important part, rolling. We're going to curl over and then tighten up. And you want to really compress this roll, because if you don't compress it and remove all air pockets, then when you try to pick up the little pieces, it's going to fall apart. So really take your time to roll forward slowly and compress, roll forward slowly and compress, and just take your time with this because it's very important. It's a very delicate roll, this. Look at that, beautiful. Now cutting. You're going to slice through and then clean the knife in between each slice because of the cream cheese. And here you go. Beautiful, simple, done. So there we go. Now you know how to make some beautiful cucumber salmon canapes. Check out some of my other canape videos here, and thank you for watching. See you.